good morning, it's a brand new day. The sun is shining bright, hooray, hooray! Wake up, open your eyes, stretch your arms up to the skies. Smile so wide, it's time to play. Good morning to you, hip hip hooray! Good morning Annie, good morning Joey, good morning Maya. Let's start the day. Brush your teeth and wash your face. We're ready to shine in every place. Put on your clothes, comb your hair, pack your bag with love and care. Say goodbye to mommy dear. We love you, Mom. The kids all cheer. Your daddy's smiling, mommy too. The morning feels so fresh and new. A hug for you, a hug for me. We're the happiest family. Good morning, let's sing and play. It's a bright and beautiful brand new day with smiles